Every year, more than 8 million tons of plastic trash land in the ocean. I'm Grylls, and we're on a mission: cleaner oceans and a more sustainable lifestyle. I'm so proud to present the new BG Luminox watch from the Survival Eco series. Luminox has teamed up with Tide to create its first sustainable watch made from recycled materials. Tide is made from 100% ocean-bound plastic. This very special watch is a limited edition. We've only created 1,500 pieces globally. And this is the most sustainable watch we have ever made. Ready for you, ready for adventure, ready for our planet.